Hello everyone, welcome from Bath, a beautiful and historic city known for its Roman baths, stunning Georgian architecture. It's a great place to explore with kids with plenty of family-friendly spots and scenic views. We will be checking out some of the top attractions today, so join me and my 3 years old as we explore this stunning city. So the first time Prince is not joining us. He probably join us during dinner time. We are here for 2 days. In this vlog, we will explain you how to spend 2 days and how to explore different things in Bath with your kids. So I have planned a Bath itinerary which is quite kid friendly, so he can enjoy. First we will go for breakfast, then we have tickets booked for Roman baths. Let's go! So this is Moroccan Egyptian cafe. This cafe is Diana Cafe. And this is very beautiful cafe. So I'm having cheese panini and Solomon having eggs. Well, it's in city center, this cafe, and if you are around, you should check this cafe. They got so many varieties in breakfast and also in lunch. So it's really chilly outside, so we are wearing jackets and everything. I can't believe that just 5 days ago it was very sunny and very warm, beautiful. But it's British weather, so it's keep changing in a minute. So and here we are talking about this. So basically the Roman baths and Bath Abbey, they are just side by side. So we will go to Roman baths first, then we will see what this is about. We will explore Roman baths, we have tickets, and then we will go to Bath Abbey.
We go to Roman baths.
So Solomon got his audio guide. There's no ticket for kids to enter, and they got audio guide as well. Audio guide is included in ticket, and I paid online, which is £24.95. Strollers are not allowed inside, so we are leaving stroller here. The Roman baths in the Bath City are one of the UK's most iconic and well-preserved ancient sites. Dating back almost 2000 years, these baths were once a center for relaxation, healing and social gatherings, all built around the city's natural hot springs. Today, visitors can marvel at the stunning architecture, explore fascinating artifacts and get a true sense of Roman life, making it a must-visit free for anyone interested in history and culture. It is very much kids-friendly. We can leave our strollers and luggage outside. We can roam around freely. Are you enjoying, Solomon?
Yes.
So here we are at Terrace View. Basically, this is not built by Romans. This is Victorian. And are you enjoying, Solomon? Solomon is listening some audios. I know what he's understanding, but you understand that this is used to be a very old bath where we are. People used to take baths here, you know? They used to take shower here. No?
But I don't know where shower.
So shower is downstairs.
Downstairs.
You know the water? So you can see different statues here. These are
This statue.
yes, so these are different Roman governors of the province Britannia. So if you can see there, there's the statue of Caesar, then Claudius, then well, these are different Roman emperors and governors. It's really kids friendly, of course. You will get benches around and you can sit and relax. Like Solomon got tired and we are sitting now taking break. This was one of the tallest buildings in Roman Britain, and the roof was 20 meters above the bath. Roman visitors would have been amazed by its high ceiling. Okay. So now we are going downstairs. Wow, see, stunning view, Sulaiman. It's beautiful. This museum at the Roman Baths showcases a fascinating collection of artifacts from the ancient Roman period, including statues, coins, and tools, all discovered during excavations. It provides visitors with a deeper understanding of Roman life in Bath, especially around the healing powers of natural hot springs. No, it's an old stone and we don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
We just watch it and appreciate it.
Mom, what is this?
So these used to be old buildings.
What?
Old buildings, you know, very, very, very old buildings.
Oh, did you? It's a dog.
I know. What is this?
This is a sausage. Wow.
Coins, yes.
What is doing here? There's so many coins.
See, this was the old gym.
This is a tin.
So we have visited museum, we've been upstairs and it's beautiful, stunning, bit difficult with kids because they of course they get bored, but the good thing is Solomon got his audio guide, so he's busy with it, and you will get different benches to rest, so he was keep sitting and taking break. But overall we love our trip. So if you ever visit Bath, must visit this place, Roman Bath. I have to tell Solomon that this water has crocodiles and sharks, so he don't get close to it.
Sorry, hello.
Hi. Solomon, stand here.
Do you want to sit there? You can if you like.
So we had amazing tour at Roman Baths, and now we are planning to visit Bath Abbey. But before that, Solomon need to eat some snacks.
Chocolate.
Okay, chocolate and biscuit, something.
No,
so
I want
after,
chocolate.
okay, so one thing, if you want less crowd, so the morning timings, early morning timings, or often late afternoon timings are best to visit Roman Bath, Bath Abbey. But of course, I have kids, I have to keep up with his speed. I couldn't visit early mornings.
Abbey, with origins dating back to the 7th century, holds over 1300 years of history. The magnificent Gothic structure we see today was built in the 12th century and completed in the 16th century. Known for its intricate stonework, towering spires, and the breathtaking fan vaulting inside, the Abbey is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of Bath's rich architectural legacy. Its stunning stained glass windows and detailed carvings make it a must-see, showcasing both religious and artistic significance.
We have explored the main hall of the Abbey, and now we are in museum. They got some small museum in downstairs of the Abbey. You need to buy a separate ticket if you want to go to the towers of the Abbey. The ticket I bought, it's not included the tours of the tower.
This part of Bath Abbey houses a collection of historical artifacts, including ancient texts, monuments, and treasures related to the Abbey history. It offered a fascinating glimpse into the Abbey's past, from its origin to its role in Bath's religious and cultural life.
Yes, you can touch it.
Yeah. What are those? Can I get it?
Yes.
Wow.
So I think we have to match this, isn't it? So what is here? So I think this should come here.
And how does this?
Yes.
Where's this one need to go? This is too big.
So we have finished our tour to Bath Abbey. The good thing is you will find toilets and Roman baths and Bath Abbey. So it's very convenient if you visit with kids. And you will get lots of places to sit around, like benches everywhere, even in Abbey, in Roman bath, outside. So you can rest. It's really convenient to visit these two places with kids. I don't think so every kid will find this interesting, definitely not. But if you have kids, you don't have any choice and you want to visit these places, you can visit these places with kids. It's convenient, stroller accessible. So these are parade gardens and it's not free, it's private property. It's not, these are not public parks. Ticket is 250. Private gardens with stunning views of boating and rivers and everything, and they got some historical monuments as well. So that's why they have small fees like £250 per person. Kids younger than 5, they are free. We are in Parade Gardens and it's light raining started. The good thing is for strollers they have some slope way, so you can bring your strollers here. Yesterday I checked the weather, it was no rain, but light raining here. Suleiman is excited. Bath is beautiful, even if it's raining or what. It gives you some special vibe like Victorian style building, Gothic style architecture, Scottish vibe. I love it. Love the city.
Me too. I love this.
You love it too?
No, or not you, or me, that's it.
Oh, Suleiman love it as well. And this parade garden situated along the river Avon, just a short walk from Pulmonary Bridge. The gardens offer a stunning view of some Bath's most iconic landmarks, including the Weir and Bath Abbey. So if you are sitting here, you can see Bath Abbey, bridge, and more beautiful stunning views of the city. As I said before, Prince will be here for dinner. Hello, Prince. So we are in Cappadocia Turkish restaurant. You can see beautiful interior here.
You want chicken or lamb?
Stop.
Actually, I really miss Prince
Because there was no camera.
because there was no cameraman and I was running around and running after Suleiman alone, carrying all the stuff and pushing stroller. It was difficult, very difficult without Prince.
What happened?
I like it.
I like it, but this is like a jelly with nuts.
So Prince ordered statue of baklava and Suleiman is having chocolate ice cream and I am having Turkish milk cake. I don't remember what exactly name is, but it's very delicious, soft. Hi everyone, welcome from Bath and today is day 2. Today we are going to Royal Victoria Park. We will have our little picnic at Royal Victoria Park. It's 10 minutes walk from city center, so let's go there. It's beautiful sunny bright day today and we are very excited, isn't it? So we are at Royal Victoria Park. Royal Victoria Park is quite a large park with cafes, toilets, large area for kids to play, ponds with ducks. It's a beautiful park. The entrance here is free. So we brought few snacks and our breakfast here. We will have some Mama Suleiman picnic here with ducks. One thing I like to mention, Bath is quite stroller friendly with large pavements and everything. Very beautiful, peaceful city. No usual city hustle and bustles, and people are very nice here. They are very much helping, always smiling. I love people here in Bath. Weather is quite different from rest of the UK. Definitely it's south. Weather is quite nice here. So you will get more sunshine here and less rain. We love Bath, isn't it?
Yeah.
We highly recommend Bath, and if you want to visit with family or kids, it's really convenient, it's really kids friendly. We love it. You will get different small parks everywhere. This Royal Victoria Park is very famous, but Bath has different kinds of parks and kids play area. So you have lots of things to do and keep your kids busy.
It was a lot of fun.
Well, this park has quite big play area for kids. Yeah, it's one of the biggest area I ever see in any park.
I think it must be this one.
So besides kids area, this park has botanical gardens which has free entrance. If it's sunny day, it's really worth to come here. Wow. So this is the end of our vlog. We love Bath and is highly recommended if you plan to visit UK for 10 days or week. Besides London, Lake District and Cambridge, and definitely Edinburgh, you should visit Bath. Beautiful city, is very different from rest of the UK. Now we will say bye and we will see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.